Squeak, squeak. So today I will be doing a video on my cash register. So this is what it looks like. It has all these like plus, minus, like all the signs you can use. It has open, on, off, and it has equal and dot and then 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And it has like a card slicer right here. Then you can get how much money right up here. So that's nice. And once you press this opens with all your money in, then you get stores in and you just show. Now I'll show you everything. It came with these fake $4. There, how many? Oh, there's 7 ones, and there's 8. There is 8 with 5s, 8 5s, 3 10s, and 4 20s. That's the play money. Comes with this to like polish it. What to do that so it's clean for your customers. It comes with 2 receipts that are just blank. Those come play money. Comes with real money. There's a penny, some pennies. There's some other ones. Comes with these 2. And it comes with a little card that just deposits mints. That's nice. And how you can start with open this, not in the pocket, but you would do this, put all those 1s and 5s in. You probably want to put the big ones on the bottom. Take all of your 5s on the bottom, and then put your 1s on top. So it'll be like, you're going to be looking for 1s, and then you're going 5s. That is, next you would do the 10s in 1, and then you could put your 20s. So your 10s and 20s could be that one. Then you can put all of your money in the pockets. Here. And you could put ones in, and you could put the fake money. And if you want to, you could just put the receipts in here, and I put these in the pocket. They are all still in there. So, thanks for watching. watching. Click like, subscribe, and comment.